Unfolding the blueprint. Understanding, laying out the plan. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English phrase, laying out the plan. Whether you're navigating through learning English as a second language or just looking to polish your linguistic skills, understanding these kinds of expressions can be incredibly useful. So, let's break it down together, ensuring you can confidently use this phrase in your conversations and writing. Laying out the plan refers to the process of explaining or presenting a detailed proposal or strategy for achieving a specific goal. Imagine you have a map and you're spreading it out on a table to show someone the path to a treasure. Similarly, when you lay out a plan, you're spreading out all the steps, ideas, and actions needed to reach an objective, making everything clear and understandable. Understanding and using the phrase, laying out the plan, is not just about language acquisition. It's about grasping the importance of planning in various aspects of life. From business strategies to personal goals, a well-laid-out plan serves as a roadmap, guiding actions and decisions towards the desired outcome. It highlights the value of preparation and strategic thinking. Now, let's put our phrase into action. Here are a few examples of how you can use laying out the plan in sentences. Before we start the project, we need to spend some time laying out the plan to ensure we cover all bases. The team gathered around the table, laying out the plan for the upcoming marketing campaign. During the meeting, she was responsible for laying out the plan for the company's expansion. These examples show how versatile the phrase can be, fitting seamlessly into professional, academic, and personal contexts. While understanding the phrase is one thing, applying it effectively is another. Here are some quick tips for effective planning. 1. Be clear and concise. When laying out a plan, clarity is key. Ensure that your plan is easy to understand and straightforward. 2. Consider all angles. Think about potential obstacles and include solutions or alternatives in your plan. 3. Set realistic goals. Ensure that the objectives within your plan are achievable within the given time frame and resources. 4. Get feedback. Share your plan with others to get different perspectives and improve its effectiveness. We hope this video has shed some light on the phrase, laying out the plan, and inspired you to not only use it with confidence but also to appreciate the art of planning. Remember, a well-thought-out plan is the first step towards achieving success, whether in language learning or any other endeavor. Thank you for watching, and happy planning!